The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Belmont County and East Central Ohio, Northwestern Marshall County and Northern West Virginia until 10 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 1 inch. Additional rainfall up to 1 inch. Some locations that may experience flooding include Moundsville, Bellaire, Shadyside, McMicken, Glendale, Benwood, Grandview Park, Sherrod, Glendale. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Flash flood 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Let me see your phone. Yeah.